Hi, I'm Sahil Dharia, founder and CEO of Soothe Healthcare. We are manufacturers of consumer healthcare products, specifically sanitary napkins. Pari is our brand. We manufacture, market, and distribute feminine hygiene products based in India. We manufacture at Greater Noida and are available throughout India. The goal with brand Pari was to be a household brand name. We want every woman in India every girl child in India to have access to healthy sanitary napkins and manage their period in every way. So the goal for the business and as a brand is to be in every household. Working backwards from that goal, therefore our PR and our branding marketing activities are in sync with what the requirement of the business is there. So for example, all our public relations exercises are in local languages where we go to the heart of UP and Bihar and we talk locally. Even on social media, in fact, we had a lot of success in engaging with our customers in their languages. Solution for communication and branding is different for every business, but I'll tell you how, with an example, how we're thinking. Specifically, I'll tell you how we designed our packaging. When we ask our consumers how do you perceive brand Pari, we do a simple test. We show you this packet for 15 seconds and then we tell us what you saw. And in that, my consumers told me they saw Saina Nehwal, and Saina stands for trust. They saw my Pari logo, which Pari is obviously associated with positive things, and they saw flowers, which also associates with very positive emotions and building trust that this is a good quality product. When you bottom line these things, this is what we're going after: trust, household brand name Pari, and the connection with the customer. That's the center of my branding and communication strategy.